You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down, and I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Oh, now I've got you in my space. I won't let go.
Come on, Adam.
of you.
Come on.
And I've got you shackled in my embrace.
That was beautiful.
I'm latching on to you. Now I've got you in my space.
You got it. You got it.
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm latching on to you.
Nice job. You did it.
Blake's dead.
Am I killing? I turned around. Yes, I did.
You did.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I can't believe that's you.
It's me, man.
Who is it?
Okay, I'm gonna tell him a story real quick. Do you know who this is, Blake?
I recognize him.
It's Ignatious. This dude won the Snapchat competition for The Voice.
Oh, wow, that's your guy.
And he actually, by winning that, earned an opportunity to come and audition in the blind auditions today. And as awkward as it is that I didn't turn for you, I got my heart broken on the last one. So I was very sad and I was in protest. So this is actually great, because I get to redeem myself for not turning around.
I don't think so.
By
I
making
don't
sure
think you can redeem
I get
yourself
to redeem
in this
myself
situation.
by making sure that I can help you make the right choice. And the right choice is Jennifer Hudson.
That is crazy.
And I'm sorry, brother. You did great, man. You did great. You did great. Jennifer Hudson, everybody.
How long have you been singing?
I've been singing since I was 4 years old, so I grew up just like you, singing in the church.
Wow. I felt like you were singing to my heart or something.
I was.
Oh. Like I couldn't even get out of my seat to even clap because I was so still caught up in it. You almost sound like a saxophone with words.
I play saxophone.
Hey.
I could hear that. I'm speechless. I don't really know what to say to you, but that's how much you blew me away.
I've never seen her like this.
I can say something.
Who do you think is your coach?
No.
Ignatious, when you're singing full voice, it is incredible. But when you switch into that clear and pitch-perfect falsetto, it's like listening to a record. The fact that you're able to do that effortlessly in this situation, congratulations. How cool would that be to see you go from Snapchat to the blind auditions, making it onto this show, and then standing up there in the finale? What an incredible journey that would be. I have one job on this show, and that's to try to take somebody to the championship.
What is he doing?
The way you moved this woman, I don't know how you can go any other way. I'm standing behind this chair because this is the one that I think you should be with.
Wow.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Ignatious, I don't want his motives that he has right now to derail you from making the right choice here,
I'm seeing
man.
clear, Ignatius.
I've been doing this a long time,
My perspective
man.
is not clouded by anger or rage. I am purely saying to you, Blake Shelton aside, a fantastic coach and a fantastic person.
Oh, here we go.
He's not the right one. I purely, genuinely believe this is where your heart is. This is where her heart is.
Exhibit A.
Let's do this.
Don't fall for this lawyer thing that he's doing. Come home. Come home, man.
My whole career has been driven off of my passion, and I'm extremely passionate about you.
Ignatious, it's time for you to pick a coach right now.
Let's go to the finals, buddy. Let's go to the finals. Come on.
The devil, that's the devil on your doorstep
Come on.
right there.
Let's do this. Don't fall for that crap. That's crap. Don't fall for it.
This is a hard decision. I'm definitely a fan of all of you, but
Come on, man.
I picked Jennifer.
Yes! You are amazing.